others who are worse off.
They were watching the news and they were down in the basement. Kevin Robinson, you warn people on the air all the time. Some people listen. This might have saved lives.
Oh, absolutely. When you're dealing with straight line winds, sometimes it doesn't have to be a tornado. You can get straight line winds, which came through most of the area, basically on the order of 60 to 70 plus miles per hour, can do the same damage as a weak tornado. So, yeah, sheltering is always a good idea, especially when we've got strong winds or destructive winds like we saw yesterday. It is quiet outside tonight, especially compared to this time yesterday evening. And in fact, this lull in the shower and thunderstorm activity is exactly what we need. So I'm not going to rule out the chance for a couple of downpours or even a rogue storm tonight, but it shouldn't be terribly impactful. So crews should be able to continue to work through the night, basically for the most part unbothered. And that will take us through at least the first half of your Thursday, which should be relatively dry. Now, as I say that, have a look at radar. There are a couple of showers over here in Kenton and Campbell counties. The heaviest stuff, though, is down here and down the Ohio River, closer to Louisville. And this may skirt across maybe parts of Carroll County, but otherwise, I don't see a lot of activity for us through the night tonight, maybe even kind of skirting there parts of Owen County as well. I'll show you this rainfall map once again. Here's what you need to know. Everything in yellow is essentially over 2 inches, and then you get into this bullseye or axis of just incredibly excessive rain last night. We're talking 2, almost 3 months worth of rain, 6 to 8 inches of rain falling. And of course, from around the Connorsville area where we had the live shot earlier with the Whitewater River that is continuing to rise on down into Franklin County around Metamora and then back into Ripley County. Unfortunately, folks, this is just kind of halftime, if you will, in our stormy pattern, if this were a game, because we've got another threat coming up tomorrow evening through Friday around here where we could see storms again train over the exact same areas. Unfortunately, could include some of the same areas that have already been hit hard with excessive rainfall. Probably another solid 2 to 4 inches of rain expected with locally higher amounts in here. And that's the last thing we need, unfortunately. Here's a look at radar. As I mentioned, not a lot between now and tomorrow afternoon. There could be a couple of downpours or a rogue storm for someone, but nothing that's really terribly impactful for most of us. This is lunchtime tomorrow. I'll take you into the evening. Here we go at 5. Trouble already on our doorstep once again with showers and storms. Could deal with a gusty complex of storms coming through and heavy rainfall. That's in and out, but then look what happens again late tomorrow night into Friday morning. Another similar setup to what brought the catastrophic flooding over here in Indiana. In fact, look up here in these communities. This is the last thing you need, which is another round of soaking rains. And basically, you see how these showers and storms again train over the same area. So we'll have to remain alert again tomorrow through Friday in terms of the heavy rain and storm potential. Right now we're at 68 degrees, a little shower being reported at the airport. Temperatures aren't going to drop much tonight. Most of us are centered between about 65 and 70, and that's where we're basically going to hold through the night tonight. So maybe a little rain here and there, but not much, really drying out for most of us. Tomorrow, 84, it's a weather impact day. We'll need to keep an eye out for gusty storms and heavy rain in the afternoon and evening. That could impact your evening commute around the area. And I know Charlie was up here earlier, Mike and Cherie. I know tomorrow's going to be a busy day down there at Paycor Stadium. There could be storms rolling through here right around that time tomorrow afternoon and evening. Unfortunately, it gets really steamy this weekend, so hopefully everyone gets their power back because the heat indices could be around 100, and you know how uncomfortable that could be without air conditioning before maybe more severe weather by Monday.
I think I'll take 100. I never would have before.
Over storms.
But now I'm getting sick of this stuff. Cincy tennis